Good morning everyone. Myself Khushi from BSc Chemistry Honors first year. Today we will discuss about thermochemistry. Now we will discuss about heat of reaction. The amount of heat evolved or absorbed when number of moles of reactant according to balanced chemical equation had completely reacted. H2 gas plus half O2 gas gives H2O liquid. Delta H reaction. Now H2 gas plus O2 gas gives H2O liquid. Delta H reaction नहीं होगी because this is unbalanced reaction. Now H2 gas plus O2 gas gives H2O2 liquid. Delta H reaction होगी because this is balanced reaction. Now we will talk about heat of formation. The enthalpy change when 1 mole of a substance is formed from its element in their most naturally occurring standard states. जैसे स्टैंडर्ड स्टेट में O2 गैस है कार्बन ग्राफाइट. H2 gas plus half O2 gas gives H2O liquid. तो जो एंथैल्पी ऑफ फॉर्मेशन है H2O की that will occurs 2H2 gas plus O2 gas gives 2H2O liquid. Enthalpy of formation of H2 doesn't occurs. Now we will talk about heat of combustion. The amount of heat evolved when 1 mole of substance is completely burnt or oxidized in excess of oxygen. Carbon plus O2 gives CO2 gas. uh, enthalpy of combustion occurs कार्बन सॉलिड स्टेट में half O2 gives out CO gas. Enthalpy of combustion will not occur because जो CO का है वो इनकम्प्लीट कंबशन हो रहा है, इसलिए ये रिएक्शन नहीं होगी. इनकम्प्लीट कंबशन. Now we will discuss about heat of neutralization. The heat evolved when an equivalent of an acid is completely neutralized by one equivalent of a base in dilute solution. The heat of neutralization है वो always exothermic होती है. Always exothermic. Now neutralization of acid plus base gives salt plus H2O. Strong acid plus में strong base, they will come 100% ionized. Strong acid में HCl, strong base में NaOH. Now HCl plus NaOH gives NaCl plus H2. ये salt है. This will completely 100% or completely ionized. H2 is weak electrolyte. That's why it is partially dissociated. HCl H positive, Cl negative, Na positive, OH negative, Na positive, Cl negative. Now H positive plus OH negative, that is H2O. Now we will discuss about heat of hydrogenation. Means addition of hydrogenation. Addition of hydrogen. The heat evolved during complete hydrogenation of 1 mole unsaturated organic compound into its saturated compound. No pi bond. Heat of hydrogenation is always exothermic. Means heat is released so that delta H is negative. Unsaturated compound into saturated compound. CH2 double bond CH2 plus H2 gives CH3 CH3. No pi bond, one pi bond. Delta H hydrogenation. This reaction proceeds. Now we will discuss about heat of atomization. Delta H. The amount of heat required to dissociate 1 mole substance into gaseous atom is called heat of atomization. Heat of atomization is always endothermic process, so that delta H is positive. H2 gas gives 2H2 gas. Delta of atomization occurs. 2H2 gas gives 4H gas. Delta of atomization doesn't occur. Thank you.